Alright, as you can see, it's really raining today. I went arrowhead hunting this morning on the river, but all I found was a musket ball. I've been blanking a bunch. But I'm working on this gun I found in the dump. This is one of the ones I found. Look how nice it's starting to look. And I got it fully functional. It's going to look better than this because I'm going to have it shining like silver. I'm going to go in and do some more stuff to it. This is like the fourth step. But I got it internally fixed, all the corrosion out, and bam. And I'm going to put this in a Riker mount and sign it, and this is going to be the giveaway. The comments will be open. I'm not greedy with my stuff, and this is a heck of a nice antique old vintage cap gun for a little kid, and it's got a nice handle on it. It says Star. I'll have it in a nice Riker case, and we're going to give it away. But in the comments, I want to know why you want this. Maybe you had one when you was a kid and your mom threw it away. Maybe you want it for your newborn kid's room. I don't know, but tell me in the comments and I'll pick the one I like the best. Later. All right, here's the gun. It's looking really nice. I could get it really shiny silver, but I like to leave a little bit of tarnishing in here just because it is an antique gun. And most importantly, fully functional. It's going to be framed, and I'm giving this away. I want to know why you like it. You'd like to have it in the comments. I spent a lot of time restoring this. I spent hours digging this stuff. This is going to be in a frame. I'll show it at the end with pictures what you're getting. But this is a nice piece. I hate to even get rid of it, but everybody's watching my videos and I got to be thankful for that. I'm making gas money, and this is how I'm giving back. Man, this is a nice piece. Later. Alright, I'm back. Here's the giveaway. Here's some other stuff I found the last 2 weeks at the dump. I don't have the two good Crocs in here. I gave them to my mother to put in her house. But I got almost everything else in here. Here's some of the insulators and stuff, but here's the giveaway right here. I framed it up in a Riker case. The gun is completely restored. It took me a long time today. Also in the giveaway, I've talked about it before. I used to dig a lot of stuff in Pennsylvania. I've been on farms and places close to Gettysburg. These were dug in Gettysburg by me. There's a 3-ringer and a big heavy caliber musket ball. I also threw in a copper setting bull. It's like bigger than a buffalo nickel, but it's like a proof thing. And the gun, and I did the white on the black, is like a bad cowboy, you know, like with the black, with the holster, with the white lining. That's the purpose behind that. That's kind of the vision. On the back I signed it all, put the video URL on it, talked about the Civil War items there a little bit in the gun. So this is the giveaway, and comments are open. I want to know why you would like to have this, and I'll pick a winner, whatever today is. Like, I don't know, this week, by the end of the week, by Saturday, let's go with Saturday, I'll pick a winner. Later.